On the occasion of the Samvidhan Divas, Prime Minister Modi hit out at the opposition for boycotting the event and also fired a dynasty politics attack. He said that for some, it is party for the family, party by the family. He's also added that if a party is run by one family generation after generation, then it is not right and that it is a threat to democracy. He's also reminded opposition parties that nation should be first for any political party and not the party. He's also said this wasn't even a party event, but a day when Parliament honours Dr. Ambedkar and the Constitution. Prime Minister Modi's all-out attack came after Congress, along with other opposition parties, decided to boycott the event. Congress said that merely observance of this day as a government function would be disrespecting the spirit of Constitution. Cracks in the opposition were visible when TMC did not pay any heed to the Congress's call for boycott. However, the TMC said that they were not really boycotting the event, but they had missed the event because no MP was in Delhi. Other opposition parties including RJD, Sena, NCP, SP, IUML, DMK, CPI, CPIM also boycotted the celebration.
जो संविधान को समर्पित लोगों के लिए चिंता का विषय है और वो है पारिवारिक पार्टियां, जो पार्टी पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी एक ही परिवार चलाता रहे, पार्टी की सारी व्यवस्था परिवारों के पास रहे, वो लोकतंत्र, स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र के लिए सबसे बड़ा संकट होता है। आज के संदर्भ में देखें तो पता नहीं संविधान का एक पेज भी हम पूरा कर पाते, क्योंकि नेशन फर्स्ट कालक्रम से राजनीति ने उस पर इतना प्रभाव पैदा कर दिया है कि देश हित भी कभी कभी पीछे छूट जाता है। ये कार्यक्रम किसी सरकार का नहीं था, ये कार्यक्रम किसी राजनीतिक दल का नहीं था, ये कार्यक्रम किसी प्रधानमंत्री ने आयोजित नहीं किया गया था। हम सब उन महान पुरुषों को प्रार्थना करें कि वो हमें शिक्षा दें ताकि हम हमेशा स्पीकर पद की गरिमा बनाए रखे, बाबा साहब आंबेडकर का गौरव बनाए रखे और संविधान का गौरव बनाए रखे।
Some political reactions that have been coming in on this tutu meme that's ongoing between the BJP and the Congress. Listen in.
All the opposition parties in 2019, the same time decided to boycott the event. It is only an event bazi, and this government believes in events only. And therefore, all the opposition parties in 2009 decided. Now Congress party is also following that same procedure, and we've spoken to many of the parties, and many of the parties also has kept up with our line.
So having a mere ceremonial kind of a program on the Constitution Divas is nothing, is something which can't be accepted. Even in the protocol, no opposition parties has any role. They have decided to wipe out the position any sort of opposition in this country. Every day journalists are being arrested. Every day anybody who opposes the government is being arrested. Every day constitution is being violated. So why have ceremonial programs for that? So that is the reason why we are boycotted. We did that in 2019 also. We are doing it now also.
The Constitution Day can be meaningfully celebrated when it ensures inclusiveness and the participation. Merely reducing it to a government event is what we protested against. A mere formal invitation to be part of the audience is unacceptable. And as I mentioned, it is insulting the spirit of our Constitution.
Today, Prime Minister has also said, and BJP party has also observed, that 13 parties have boycotted today's program organized by the government led by BJP party. Prime Minister himself is singling out the Congress party by making such kind of disparaging comment. I feel very bad of Prime Minister's comment today.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के मन में ये विचार कब आया? सत्ता मिलने पाने के बाद में। सत्ता किसके जरिए पाली? इन्हीं पारिवारिक पार्टियों के साथ में आप हाथ मिलाते रहे, 30-30 बरस साथ में रहे, और उस छोड़ो वहाँ तो कश्मीर में तो उनके साथ में जाकर वहाँ भी सरकार बनाई पारिवारिक पार्टी को। इसलिए मैं बोला हूँ, जो विचारधारा को लेकर चलता है ना, वो हिलना भी नहीं चाहिए यहाँ वहाँ। तो जाना ही नहीं था ना पारिवारिक पार्टियों के साथ में, क्यों गए? उनकी सीढ़ी पकड़कर ऊपर जाते और बाद में सीढ़ी पे लात मारने की बात आ जाती है। यही